Scientific breakthroughs continue to offer promising solutions to some of the biggest challenges in climate change, and a novel methane-reducing vaccine for cows could be a game-changer in reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Methane is a potent contributor to global warming, and livestock alone accounts for about a third of human-related methane emissions. The ability to curb these emissions in a scalable and efficient way would not only help mitigate climate change, but also ensure that dairy and beef production can continue sustainably, benefiting both the environment and the agricultural sector. The research, led by the Pirbright Institute in the UK, in collaboration with the Royal Veterinary College and Ag Research in New Zealand, is part of a broader effort to innovate within animal agriculture. With funding from the Bezos Earth Fund, this initiative reflects the growing global interest in reducing agricultural emissions while maintaining food security. The concept is elegantly simple. A single-dose vaccine, ideally administered early in a cow's life, would trigger the animal's immune system to produce antibodies targeting methane-producing microbes in its stomach. If successful, this vaccine could provide a long-term, low-maintenance solution that would seamlessly integrate into existing livestock management practices without requiring constant dietary interventions or costly infrastructure changes. This approach is particularly exciting because it builds upon the already well-established global vaccination framework in livestock farming. Farmers are familiar with vaccines for disease prevention, and the infrastructure for widespread administration is already in place. Unlike feed additives, which require constant supplementation and monitoring, a vaccine could provide a lasting impact, offering a far more practical and cost-effective solution. The goal is to achieve at least a 30% reduction in methane emissions per animal, a significant improvement that could collectively reduce agricultural greenhouse gases by hundreds of millions of metric tons annually. The science behind this innovation is both fascinating and promising. By specifically targeting the methane-producing bacteria in the rumen, researchers aim to disrupt the microbial processes responsible for methane production without negatively affecting digestion or the animal's health. The key challenge lies in ensuring that the vaccine is effective in the unique environment of the cow's digestive system, where antibodies typically do not function in the same way they do in other parts of the body. However, with continued advancements in molecular immunology, researchers believe that the development of such a vaccine is not just possible, but highly likely. Beyond its environmental impact, this breakthrough holds immense economic potential. Livestock farmers worldwide face increasing pressure to adopt more sustainable practices, and regulatory policies around emissions are becoming stricter. A methane-reducing vaccine could help farmers meet these evolving standards without compromising productivity. By ensuring that cattle farming remains both profitable and environmentally responsible, this technology could strengthen rural economies and provide a competitive advantage for early adopters. Moreover, the innovation is part of a broader movement toward making agriculture more sustainable. From precision fermentation and lab-grown dairy to seaweed-based, methane-reducing feed additives, the food industry is undergoing a transformation aimed at reducing its carbon footprint. Each of these innovations plays a role in a larger system of sustainable food production, and the methane vaccine could be one of the most scalable and practical solutions available. The ability to implement it globally, without major changes to existing farming operations, sets it apart from other approaches that require new supply chains or consumer behavior shifts. However, as with any groundbreaking technology, public perception and misinformation must be addressed. Previous efforts to introduce methane-reducing feed additives have faced resistance due to unfounded concerns about food safety, despite scientific evidence supporting their benefits. A methane vaccine will need clear and transparent communication to ensure that consumers understand its purpose, safety, and environmental benefits. Fortunately, the global shift in awareness about climate change has created a more receptive audience for sustainable innovations, and with proper education and engagement, this technology could gain widespread support. The potential of a methane-reducing vaccine extends far beyond cattle farming. If successful, similar approaches could be explored for other ruminant animals, further amplifying the environmental benefits. Additionally, the research could lead to new advancements in microbiome science, paving the way for more sustainable livestock management strategies across multiple industries. Ultimately, this vaccine represents more than just a scientific achievement. It embodies a vision for a future where agriculture and environmental responsibility go hand in hand. By leveraging biotechnology in innovative ways, researchers are proving that solutions to even the most complex sustainability challenges are within reach. With continued investment, collaboration, and public engagement, this technology has the potential to become a defining success in the fight against climate change. If implemented at scale, it could mark a turning point in the way we balance food production with environmental stewardship, ensuring that the world can feed its growing population while protecting the planet for generations to come.